Your name is and where you from?
My name is Sofronio Vasquez, and I am from the Philippines.
Where did bug come from?
I'm Filipino, so Mum kind of popped me in front of the video key from as young as I can remember.
Kamusta mga ka-proud? Today's video episode ay pag-uusapan naman natin ang galing at talentong Pinoy pagdating sa kantahan. Patunay na hindi lamang pang videoke ang ating singing talent dahil recognized na din ito sa global talent auditions sa buong mundo.
Hello.
What's your name?
I am Maria Dedi, Maureen Narako, but they all call me Maureen, and I am from the Philippines.
Sa episode na ito ay pag-uusapan natin ang mga kagimbal-gimbal na reaksyon ng mga hurado sa mga makatindig balahibong performances ng mga kababayan natin sa iba't ibang international singing competition. Patotoo lamang na ang Pilipinas ay land of great singers. Bago tayo magpatuloy, siguraduhin nakasubscribe ka na at notification on para updated ka sa susunod pa nating mga proud Filipino Moments video. Kung napaluhod ng TNT Boys si Ariana Grande, alam nyo ba na noong 80s at 90s pa lang, umaarangkada na ang mga bulilit Pinoy talent sa international competitions. Nandyan si Banig at si Ashley Robles.
The Philippines?
I live in Bulacan, which is 1 hour drive away from Manila.
An hour from Manila, all right. Where did you learn to sing and dance like that?
I learned it from my parents.
How do you say from your parents? That's good. How do you say good luck in the Philippines?
Good luck in the Philippines means palarin ka sana.
We wish that to you, all right?
Robert, hey! All right. How you doing, Ashley?
Fine.
Can say your last name for me?
Robles.
Robles. Yeah, I'm ignorant. Don't worry about it. You have to laugh at me, though, dog.
Яко.
Първият изпълнител, който ни събира тук. Здравей, а ти всички дойдох. Как си казваш, представи се на всички нас.
Umabot na nga hanggang Bulgaria ang talentong Pinay sa pagbirit. At alam natin ang resulta. Pinag-agawan lang naman ng mga hurado.
My name is Suzette.
You speak in English?
Yes, I'm speaking in English.
Okay, welcome to the Voice of Bulgaria.
Yes, thank you very much.
Where do you come from?
I'm originally from the Philippines.
Narito ang patikim sa kanyang mala-concert performance sa audition niya sa The Voice Bulgaria.
Okay, this music video's got a whole lot cooler now.
Start by saying salamat, because the relationship I've had with the Philippines for so many years makes me love you even more. Your people are such a beautiful people. I can't even imagine how proud you're going to make them.
Yeah.
There's something that is so inherently beautiful about music for you. Dude, I got goosebumps. I'm emotional. I'm trying to swallow because I'm emotional.
You won a gold medal at the World Championship of Performing Arts.
Yes, it's true.
I believe it.
I won the Senior Grand Champion Vocalist of the World 2018.
So what made you decide to do the show?
Since my family and I moved here in the US from the Philippines, I've been wanting to be on TV, and I feel like I'm in a big TV right now.
You are!
That's so cute.
Isa pang kabayan natin ang nagpabilib sa Europa. Ito ay si Joy, na mula sa kanyang humble beginnings sa It's Showtime, tawag ng tanghalan.
Simula talaga ako kumanta sa school or at 7 years ago.
7 years old. 12 years old.
Ay sa tanghalan naman ng The Voice Germany siya nagpakitang gilas. All-out papuri nga si Ronan Keating na ni-recognize ang talento ng mga Pilipino pagdating sa pag-awit.
Joy, I've been out to the Philippines many times touring. The voices that come out of the Philippines are incredible. Some of the best singers I've ever heard.
Siyempre, talent recognizes talent. Salamat dyan, Pinsang Ronan. At sa mga Pilipinong winawagayway ang ating talento sa buong mundo. Nakasuporta ang One Filipino TV at palalaganapin natin lalo ang inyong galing sa buong mundo.
I just wanna surprise people and give people a show and make them happy, touch a lot of people.
I am 37 years old and I came from the Philippines.
Filipino Singers Talent Invasion naman sa X Factor Malta. Overload sa dami ng magagaling na mga Pinoy singers sa kanilang X Factor franchise.
My name is Richelle van der Merwe. I am 34 years old. I'm from the Philippines and I am a housewife. I grew up in a very poor family.
And I am currently living in Gezira. When I was in the Philippines, back in the Philippines, living and having my bachelor's degree.
I'm Roel Ilaban, all the way from the Philippines.
Hindi naman tayo ipinahiya ng ating mga kababayan. Dahil todo papuri at bilib ang mga judges sa ating talento.
Well done. Gianluca, can I go to Clay? Because I think that's a really cool stage name.
At salamat sa mga kababayan nating.
And my dad died when I was 18 and I got pregnant very early. I was very young, so I was only like 17, 18 at that time.
Ipinapakita ang kanilang singing talent sa kabila ng mga balakid sa kanilang buhay.
This is what X Factor is all about. He blew us away. Thank you for taking the hassle, coming all the way to Malta, because it was all worth it.
Incredible range. It's like she's a young Ariana Grande.
Yan lamang naman ang komento ni John Legend sa young Pilipina talent na si Kaylee. Saan ba natuto kumanta si Kaylee? Alam na yan ka proud.
Grew up singing karaoke, Filipino family, so singing for my whole life.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Magsama-sama muli tayo sa susunod pa nating mga proud Filipino Moments videos. Paalam!